In January, during the 21 days fasting and prayer, I was doing a series of interviews for my dream job. I got my offer in February and I accepted it. So I gave my 1 month notice at my company. A week later, there was silence from my new company. 2 weeks went by and then a month, still nothing. But I kept having faith and I even recorded my testimony in church. Fast forward to March and I still had no resumption date at this point. And I was getting worried, so I reached out to them and they said the group MD had traveled. I became worried, but I remembered the scripture that when God says a thing, he will bring it to pass. Fast forward to April, COVID happened and everything shut down and I was without a job. I felt my world crashing and I started to feel negativity creeping in. I reached out to the group MD personally. He said I will resume once the lockdown was lifted. That didn't happen as well. After waiting months, during the Accelerate conference, I got a nudge in my spirit to start applying for new jobs and I started regaining traction. I got a short-term job that paid better than my last job, fed me twice daily and provided an Airbnb for 2 months of the project duration. I believe this job will literally prepare me for the resumption of my dream job. Finally, after many months of waiting, on the 20th of October, I got my letter of appointment and resumption date. I just want to thank God. Through everything, I never lacked anything, nor had any reason to beg. Indeed, God is faithful.